This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a dishwasher that isn't draining. We're going to be cleaning the air gap that lives up near the kitchen faucet. Sometimes they get clogged with some junk. We just need an old wire coat hanger and maybe a standard head screwdriver to help pry off the cap. So we removed the silver part already. We popped it off. And now this white cap at the top has to be removed. And you can just use like an old butter knife or a standard head screwdriver to push in on the plastic tabs on the front and back so we can wiggle it off. I'm going to use a standard head screwdriver to push in there. Got that off. And then I've got an old clothes hanger and I've straightened it out. I'm using some pliers to get the tip of it straighter. And I'm going to put that in to two parts of the air gap. One is the big hole that surrounds the little hole. I'm going to push it in there and go all the way down and back a bunch of times. And that helps if you have water that's shooting out of your air gap when it's draining. That means that big black tube that goes to your garbage disposal is clogged, and this helps get rid of that. If it just doesn't drain at all, you can do the same procedure and push the wire down into the middle part, and that'll clear it out. It's pretty easy. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.